안녕하세요 여러분. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmad and today our class is about 읽기 and 듣기 of chapter number 16. Question number 1 and 2. 다음 next. थाने is word. 반대만 is opposite. 못입니까? What is the opposite of this word? 조용하다 is quiet. So our answer will be 시끄럽다. 시끄럽다 is noisy. Question number 2. 넓다 is wide and our answer is 좁다. 좁다 is narrow. Question number 3 and 4. 빈칸에 blanks throw 칸 go in. 가장 알맞은 most better. causal object 코로 십시오 select. 다음 달 next month. One room is one room. 계약 contract 끝납니다 is going to end. 그래서 that's why. 부동산 real estate agency 가서 go 집은 house 알아봐야 합니다. This is our answer. 알아봐야 합니다 is going to search and see a house. Number 4. 집에서 from home. 지하철역 is train station. 가깝습니다 near. Train station is near to my home. 그리고 and 편리 시설 is convenient facilities. 많아서 is many. And our answer is 편리합니다. Our answer is 편리합니다. Convenient. My home is near to a subway train station and all the convenience facilities are nearby. That's why it's very convenient. Question number 5. Third next kernel paragraph. Go read and 내용과 content 같은 것 is similar object 코로 십시오 select. 한국에서 in Korea 많은 many 사람들 people 아파트에 in apartment 살고 있습니다 living. Most of the Korean people are living in apartments. 아파트는 근처에 near. 편의시설 is convenient facilities. 많아서 many. 생활 life 편리합니다 very convenient. Near apartment all the main facilities are available. That's why it's very convenient. 그리고 and 보안 is security. 보안 system security system. 잘 better. 가추 is giving. Is also that's why 많은 한국 사람들 many Korean people 좋아합니다 like it. Because the security system in apartments are good. That's why Korean people like it. 한국에 in Korea apartment where is out of. Other than apartment chotek house villa is villa one room officetel is office space 등 etc. 다양한 different kind. 형태 is option 있습니다 there is. There are many options other than apartment like house villa one room and officetel. 최근 these days eating is one person. 가구 is furniture. 증가하면서 one room. Living person one person living room ina and officetel. Officetel is office space. 사람 living 젊은 사람 youngsters. 늘고 있습니다 is increasing. These days youngsters are living in officetel and one room and their numbers are increasing. Now we will read our answers. Number 1. eating 가구 one person living. 점점 day by day. 주로 is decreasing. go 있습니다. They are decreasing one person living. This is wrong because the number of one person living is increasing. Number 2. 한국에 in Korea 아파트 사는 사람 많습니다. In Korea there are many people living in apartment. This is our answer. One room Sanam Cholban Sarandal. The youngsters, they are living in one room. Khamso Hago Issam Nida, they are decreasing. Khamso is also decreasing. So they are not decreasing, they are increasing. That's why it's also wrong. Aphat a Phuan system. Apartment security system. Phujok is lack. Chomi mani Issam Nida. Chom e mani Issam Nida. There is a lack of security systems in apartment. This is also wrong. So our answer is number 2. Now we will go to our 듣기 listening. Let's listen.
1번. 공사하는 곳은 어디입니까?
공사, construction. 하는 곳, construction site. 어디입니까? Where is?
오늘부터 아파트 지하 주차장 공사를 시작합니다.
오늘부터 from today. 아파트 지하 in the basement of apartment. 주차장 parking space. 공사 is construction. 시작합니다. starting.
주민 여러분께서는 차를 지상 주차장으로 옮겨주시기 바랍니다.
주민 여러분께서 all of you 차를 your cars. 지상 is ground. 주차장 the ground floor parking space. 옮겨 is move. 주시기 바랍니다. All of you can move your cars from a basement to a ground floor parking space. Now our question was, where is a construction site? Our answer is 지하 주차장. The construction site is basement car parking. Question number 2.
2번부터 3번까지 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
Question number 2 and 3. Thou next 듣고 listen. 물음의 question 알맞은 better 대답 answer 고르십시오. select.
기숙사가 가까워요?
기숙사가 가까워요. Your room is near here.
1. 네, 기숙사에 가요.
No, yes, 기숙사에 가요. I am going to my dormitory.
2. 네, 기숙사에서 살아요.
No, yes, 기숙사에서 살아요. I am living in a dormitory, my room.
3. 아니요, 기숙사가 멀어요.
This is our answer. 아니요, no, 기숙사가 멀어요. My dormitory is very far.
4. 아니요, 기숙사가 좋아요.
아니요, no, 기숙사가 좋아요. The dormitory is very good. Question number 3.
3번.
언제 이사할 거예요?
언제 이사할 거예요? 언제 is when. 이사 is house shifting. 할 거예요. You will do.
1. 부동산에 갈 거예요.
Number 1. 부동산에 갈 거예요. I will go to real estate agency.
2. 친구하고 같이 살 거예요.
친구하고 with my friend 같이 together 살 거예요. I will live.
3. 다음 주에 이사할 거예요.
다음 주에 next week 이사할 거예요. I will shift. This is our answer.
4. 회사 근처로 이사할 거예요.
회사 근처. 근처 is near to company. 이사할 거예요. I will shift.
4번. 두 사람은 무엇에 대해 말하고 있습니까?
two person know what they about 말하고 있습니까? They are talking.
이 원룸은 한 달에 얼마예요?
이 one room, this one room 한 달에 1 month. 얼마예요? What is the rent?
한 달에 50만 원이에요.
한 달에 1 month 50만 원 50,000 이에요. The monthly rent is 50,000 Korean won. So our answer is 월세 because 월세 is monthly rent.
5번. 다음을 듣고 이어지는 말로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
Question number 5. 다음 next 듣고 listen. EOG is continuous. 만 is start. 가장 알맞은 is most better. question object 고르십시오 select.
아직 집을 못 구했는데
아직 till now 집을 house 못 구했는데 I not such a good house till now.
같이 부동산에 가줄 수 있어요?
같이 together with me 부동산에 real estate agency 가줄 수 있어요. Can you go with me?
1. 좋아요. 언제 이사했어요?
좋아요. Good. 언제 when 이사했어? When you did shifting.
2. 네. 저도 집에서 쉴 거예요.
No, yes, 저도. I am also. 집에서 from home 쉴 거예요. Will take rest.
3. 좋아요. 이번 주말에 갈까요?
좋아요. Good. 이번 주말에 this coming weekend. 갈까요? Can we go? This is our answer.
4. 네. 내일 집을 계약할 거예요.
No, yes, 내일 tomorrow 집을 house 계약 contact 할 거예요. I will do. So our answer is at number 3.